In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors in Darktable. If you've ever wanted to nudge a blue sky toward teal, tame punchy reds, or brighten a specific color without touching the rest of the image, this is exactly what we'll do using the color equalizer. It's a powerful, targeted way to reshape color without complicated masking. Start by enabling the color equalizer module in the darkroom view. You'll find it among the color tools. If it isn't visible right away, use the module search to bring it up, then switch it on. Turning it on lets Darktable apply changes from this panel while keeping everything non-destructive, so you can always toggle it off to compare before and after. Inside the module, you'll see three tabs: Hue, Saturation, and Brightness. Think of these as what you want to change about the color you target. Hue changes the actual color tone, shifting a color toward its neighbors on the color wheel, like moving blues a bit greener, or reds a touch more orange. Saturation controls intensity, so you can mute a color for a more natural look or boost it for emphasis. Brightness affects how light or dark that color appears, which is helpful for separating subjects or balancing contrast without altering the overall exposure. Each tab has a curve with nodes spread across different color ranges. Click and drag those nodes to adjust how that color behaves. For hue, dragging a node up or down rotates that color slightly along the color wheel. For saturation and brightness, moving a node up increases that quality, and moving it down decreases it. Keep your moves small at first. Subtle adjustments often look more realistic and avoid artifacts. Watch the transition between nodes. Gentle curves maintain smooth, natural results, while dramatic spikes can create banding or halos in tricky gradients. To target a color precisely, use the picker tool in the module. Click the picker, then click on the color in your image you want to adjust, say the sky or a shirt. The module will highlight the exact region on the curve that corresponds to that selection, so you're fine-tuning only what you intended. From there, tweak the nearest nodes in hue, saturation, or brightness for a clean surgical change. If something goes too far, remember you can reset a point or an entire tab, and you can always toggle the module to compare your edit. With this workflow, you'll make intentional, tasteful color shifts that bring your images to life while keeping them looking natural.